So students, let us see one more different problem based on the basics of coordinate points.
Please subscribe and don't forget to click the bell icon for the more updates.
See here, we have given find the coordinates of all the vertices of equilateral triangle of the side 2a in the given figure. They said that this triangle is equilateral triangle which is formed on the coordinate axis, means x-axis, positive x-axis. Okay, so now what we need to do, we need to find out the coordinate points of the vertices. Already one coordinate point is given and they said, see, this is a side, OA is a side or not, this is OA side, okay, this is A, okay, OA side, and length of the side would be 2A, understood, they said, already they had given in the problem. So that means what, since it's an equilateral triangle, okay, all the sides are equal. If this OA equal to 2A, then AB is also 2A, and here OB is also 2A. Okay, means all the sides are equal, understood. So we can say that we need to write the solution for this. Okay, since triangle OAB, see this is OAB, see this OAB, okay, OAB is an equilateral triangle okay, it's an equilateral triangle, so all the sides are equal, so OA equal to AB equal to OB. Okay, let me show you this in the diagram. OA equal to AB equal to OB, all are equal to what, 2A, because OA equal to 2A. This they had given in the problem, each side of length 2A for this triangle. Okay, that was the given information. Okay, now what we can say here, first see here we need to get all the vertices. See here, this is vertex, one vertex which is given 2A comma 0, and this another vertex is obviously origin. So what is the vertex of the another vertex of this? So second vertex O is what, 0 comma 0, this is another vertex. Now we only need to find vertex B. How to find it out? For that we need to draw the perpendicular from B to x-axis. Okay, draw here, just see, I am plotting a perpendicular from B to x-axis like this. Okay, let this foot of the perpendicular be M. Okay, this is M. Now what did you observe? And one more thing I want to tell you about the properties of triangles from the 9th standard mensuration and geometry. See here, I will explain you in the rough part. So if it's an equilateral triangle, in an equilateral triangle, if you draw the altitude, okay, that altitude will bisect the opposite side. Okay, so is it an altitude or not? This perpendicular is altitude of OA, got it? So definitely it will bisect opposite side. When the side is total side is of length 2A, when it is bisected, this half parts would be A and A or not. This 2A will be bisected to A and A, because the property that altitude divides this opposite side in an equilateral triangle in the equal into equal parts. Altitude divides the opposite side into equal parts. Okay, so now just see here, what do we do here? Let me do something here, separate this triangle. Okay, what is this triangle? BMA. Separate this triangle here. Okay, BMA. Now this is right angle, and as we said, this is 2A. Okay, and this is MA equal to what? A. Okay, now we need to find what? BM. We need to find what? BM. What is BM? How can we find BM? Using Pythagoras relation. Okay, so in triangle, so what we did there? We constructed BM, and from that we separated the triangle BMA. So in triangle BMA, okay, we can apply the Pythagoras relation or not, Pythagoras theorem. So that is BM square plus MA square equal to BA square. So bm square plus ma square equal to ba square. So bm square plus ma square equal to ba square. Okay, now what do we need to find? Bm. So this we need to subject. So bm square equal to what? ba square minus ma square. What is ba square? 2a whole square. That would be 2a whole square, and minus this is a square, ma square means. Okay, so what is your answer? This is 4a square minus a square. That would be 3a square. Okay, so bm square equal to 3a square. Applying the square root on both sides, we get bm equal to, okay, root 3a square, where a square comes out and we obtain root 3a. This a is outside the square root. Okay, now this is root 3a. Here suppose this is root 3a. Okay, this is root 3a means what? Distance of this point B from this x-axis is what? Root 3a. Okay, and the distance of this point from this y-axis would be what? A or not? Is it a or not? Yes. So this is what? A. So here x coordinate would be what? A, and y coordinate would be what? Root 3a. So we can write this point as what? A comma root 3a. So therefore the vertices would be what? All the vertices are what? Already this 2a and 0 is given. 2a and 0 is given, and another coordinate would be origin, as it is there in the on the origin. So that is 0 0. And what is third coordinate? Just now we find here, this is a comma root 3a. A comma root 3a. So like this we can find out all. Understood? Just based on Pythagoras theorem and based on basic properties of the coordinate points, we can find out all the vertices. Like this the problems might be given in very basic level.
Please subscribe and don't forget to click the bell icon for the more updates.